Alright, so I received the everything attachment wicked toothbar today. This is for the 53-inch bucket, so it's pretty much like almost 54-inch on the outside. We're gonna start drilling the holes and line it up so it doesn't move so much, because right now it's like that. So let's see how it goes. It's nice and tight against both sides of the bucket. Okay, you gotta mark it first. Touch here. Look in the middle. Try a drill with a small drill bit first. Goes. We got oil here. Help it out. Yeah, this drill bit's not. Uh-oh. Yeah, this one's going through. Let's see. Really have to line it up. A bit here to make the hole bigger to the right size. Should be the whole size here. Through the middle. Oh shit! Put too much. That's good. Just gotta come back on this side over here. Turn it off. There you go. And should fit right in, but I gotta clean. Deeper it. And that's it. This should work right away. Just like that. Try the toothbar on here, see how it goes. Okay. this one's kind of off. I thought I had it right, but this side over here is off. We gotta go up a little bit higher. I mean, it's adjustable, but yeah, I think I'll be alright. Won't matter much. Try again. Go. Perfect. Careful not to cut yourself. Okay. Whoa. Thought it was 27. Maybe the nut is 27. It's more than 116. Okay. On the 53-inch bucket, it's kind of weird. Yeah, all these right here are flush to the bottom. Got a little bit of a gap here. It's alright though. These are the ones that's really holding it. And this is the Wicked Toothbar installation. Alright, peace out.